Thank you.
One rider per seat. 5 riders per log. When instructed, please pull down on your laptop. Sitting on the handhold, then remain seated at all times. Authority will get you nowhere.
I need to cover my my nose. Just make sure nothing gets in my freaking nose.
And so, as the swift waves of Osaka grind on,
I know I will. Okay. Yeah, we're vibing for a little bit. We're vibing for a little bit. What did you make that sound?
with no right direct, Whiplash finds now victory time.
The one girl's run this 150 times.
Really?
Yeah. She's run it every single day since she started here.
Hey, you're going the wrong way.
Once I lost my grain of thought.
Get it, train.
All right, we're swimming now. Yeah. Well, it only gets worse from here. I don't know.
Right the way.
Let's go. My watch is like,
That's why I was like, all right, well, if she wants, there we go.
Split with it, you're okay.
I don't know if I just follow the instructions.
Yeah.
Split with it. Not me.
What's up with that thing? Chill. Why did we do that? That was me. That was the final blow.
What's up guys, it's been Theme Park Groupie. Thanks for watching our video of Ripsaw Falls at Universal's Islands of Adventure. This is one of my favorite all-time water rides. The POV itself comes from Universal Orlando Resort's YouTube page, so make sure you guys subscribe to their channel. With it finally being officially summer here in Florida, it is so hot and all of these water rides are just cooling me down. So hopefully you guys are enjoying these water ride videos that we've been putting up, because we have some more for you throughout the summer. The most liked comment on our previous video of us checking out all the Splash Island slides at Wild Adventures comes from GatchaTales 800. He says, tough, important, and hard question. City Walk or Disney Springs? I don't know why you guys do this to me. They're both so good. Disney Springs definitely has way more to offer than City Walk, but I think City Walk passes the vibe check and it is better in my opinion. Let us know in the comments what your favorite water ride is at Universal Orlando Resort. The most liked comment gets read on our next video. If you did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.